Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make some wonderful pico. You're just going to love it. So get your chips ready and let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients that we're going to use today for our pico. We're going to start over here with your tomatoes. I have got some Romano tomatoes. I have about 5 of those. You also want to have a couple extra on hand just in case. For our onions, I've got 2 medium to large size yellow onions. For garlic, I've got 5 cloves. If you don't have fresh garlic, you can use some garlic powder. For your peppers, I'm going to be using serrano peppers today. You can also use some jalapeno peppers. For seasoning, I'm just going to be using a little bit of coarse ground black pepper, a touch of enchilada seasoning, and then some salt also for seasoning. For your lime and lime juice, I'm going to be using some fresh limes today. If you don't have fresh limes, you can use some lime juice. I suggest Nellie and Joe's key lime juice. I think they're the best. And then also for your cilantro, I've got some fresh cilantro here, and I'm going to be using probably about 2 bunches of cilantro today. The first thing we want to do today is to chop up our tomatoes, our onions, our garlic, our peppers, and our cilantro. So we're going to do all of that, and I will see you in just a few minutes. First thing we've done is we have chopped up our tomatoes, and I've actually added 2 additional tomatoes. So I've ended up with 5 Romano tomatoes, and now we're going to add in our onions. Put our onions on top, and then we're going to mix those all together. We're going to add in our serrano peppers that are chopped. And I went ahead and I took the seeds out, but I did leave in the little white veins because that way it gives it a little bit of heat. Next, we're going to reach over here and get our garlic. And we're going to add in our fresh garlic. Let's stir all of that up. And oh my gosh, this is already starting to smell so good. I wish you could be here to smell it. Let's go ahead now and add in a little bit of salt. We're going to put the salt all across the top. Also, take your coarse ground black pepper, and we're going to put that all across the top and mix it all together. And you're just going to love this pico. Next, we're going to take a little bit of your cilantro and put on it. You're going to put this cilantro on top. We're going to mix it in, and not only does this start smelling just fantastic, it looks beautiful. Add in a little more of the cilantro across the top. After you put your cilantro in, I want you to taste it and see if there's anything you need to add. And I just tasted mine. I need just a little bit more salt. Don't think I need any more pepper, but I think I'm going to put just a little bit of this enchilada seasoning. I like to put just a little bit of this across the top. I think it just gives a little bit of kick to it. The key really is just to mix this up really well. And I like to make it the day before I'm wanting to serve it. I think that when it sits overnight, the flavors really mix together really, really well. And if this has been helpful and if you're learning a lot today, then please click that like button down there so that YouTube knows you like us. Now I'm going to reach over here and we're going to take our fresh limes, and I want you to squeeze. I got 2 limes, and we're going to squeeze lime juice all across the top. Well, our pico is just looking great and it smells wonderful. So go grab you some chips and taste your pico. I think you're going to love it. And be sure and check out that next video that's popping up in the corner. I'll see you over there in a few minutes. Have a great day. Bye-bye.